Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can fix store unavailable on Shopify. Now this is very quick and easy. All you need to do, guys, you want to follow these steps and you will be able to fix this problem. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys a few solutions so that you can fix this problem. Okay, now let's start. Now if your payment gateways is like as you can see, issues with payment gateways can lead to store unavailability. Now especially if there is an integration errors or service disturbations. Okay, now what you guys need to do, you want to go to your settings and you want to click on like payments and see if there is a problem with your payment methods. Okay, make sure everything is good. Okay, make sure you link a payment provider to your Shopify store so that you can start receiving payments. Otherwise your store is not going to be available and people will not be able to complete the checkout. Okay, now what you guys need to do next is to check like the domain, if it's expired, or hosting. Okay, now also technical issues with themes or apps and maintenance on Shopify's end. Or okay, now this may be the reason, but most of the time the reason is going to be this. Okay, just click on settings at the very bottom left and you want to click on plan. Now if you don't pick a plan, your store is not going to be available. Okay, now you want to choose a plan here. You only pay $1, okay, for the first month. You can choose, for example, Shopify for small teams as your business skills, which is advanced plus. Now you don't need really plus. As you can see, you will pay $2,300, so you don't need that. Okay, so you can only pay $1 for the first month. As you can see, just click on select basic. Basic is more than enough. Okay, now if you select a plan and still the problem is still there, okay, your store is not available, click on online store. Okay, and then click on preferences, and then you want to scroll down. Okay, see, a lot of people have this problem. Now if you have a password here, you have to remove it. Okay, you have to remove the password so that people will access your Shopify store. Now just remove the password here and make sure you uncheck where it says here restrict access to visitors with password. Now you want to make sure you uncheck it. It's buried, as you can see here, because I didn't pick a plan. I'm not paying for the Shopify subscription. That's exactly why it's buried. Okay, now as you can see, password protection limit who can access your online store. Now you want to make sure you remove the password and remove or uncheck restrict access to visitors with password, and then make sure you click on save. Okay, that's very important, guys. You want to click on save here. Okay, you want to click on save, and that's it. Okay, and see if the problem is fixed. Now if it's not, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Like I said, you want to go to online store, click on preferences here, and that's it. And then search for password, and you want to remove the password. Okay, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Drop a like and see you guys in the next one.